Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all doing well. Have you ever been in a wreck that wasn't your fault and you need proof for an insurance claim or just to prove your innocence? Well, today I have a solution for you, which is the Car Dash Cam D1 Pro by Reinik. This small camera records in crystal clear 1080p resolution with 170 wide angle lens with a G sensor built in, an intelligent gravity induction system which can automatically detect collision and lock the footage to prevent it from being overwritten by the new video. Very convenient for you to deal with the resulting legal issues. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then I'm gonna show how to install it, and finally I'm gonna go out for a ride and show you what kind of video quality you can get with this camera. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so this is what you get in the box. Here's the manual. We're gonna need that later. Here's the camera. Oh wow, this thing is very small. It comes with a power adapter that you can plug into a cigarette lighter. This is the base mount with a very strong adhesive to hold the camera in your desired location, and some extra holders, I'm guessing. As soon as you connect the charger, it will automatically turn on. So far, I'm very impressed with the video quality, and I also like the wide angle lens. And you can swivel the camera lens as well. And don't forget to remove the protective plastic on the camera lens. So I took the SD card out of my phone, and later I realized that the camera only supports 64 gigabytes and mine is 128. So let's try again. When you get the right memory card, just insert it like so. After that, just plug in the charger and the camera will automatically start recording. You can change some settings, but at the moment I leave it as default settings. Now let's go out for a ride to test this camera. Alright, so we're about to install the camera, not on the dashboard, but on the windshield, because I think we're gonna get a better view from here. And also keep in mind that the base with the adhesive won't stick to any surface. It has to be a smooth and flat surface. Let's stick the base on the windshield like so. After that, we plug in the power adapter into the cigarette lighter. And as you can see, you can also charge your phone or any other device with the extra USB port. I'm gonna do my daily commute and record for a few days. We're gonna see the quality of the camera during sunny, rainy, and cloudy days. In case you're wondering, this is what North Mississippi looks like.
And speaking of camera,
There's already something going on.
cops in right here.
What?
We
They're
don't
blocking the
know.
entrance? Why? To the freeway.
Honestly, they probably got something going on, like a wreck or something on the highway or something.
So far, I gotta say that I'm very impressed with the quality you get with this tiny camera, but you can judge it for yourself.
So we're gonna go in walking, like
Yeah,
this is like, go through there.
I think they got that.
This is my first one.
Okay, do you need to look at our menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are. And here they are.
All right. Thank you very much. Here you go.
Another thing that I would like to mention is that during the day, the quality of the footage it's very nice and bright, but during the night there is too much noise, not so good. My friend and I are going to GameStop to pick up Mortal Kombat 11. Very close to 9 o'clock. We're right on time. Oh my god, there's a lot of people here. This dude is such a huge fan that he came to pick up the game like this. Now that we got our game, let's head back to the house. Oh, and by the way, you can also use this camera as a webcam, believe it or not. And it's actually very good. The quality of the video is fantastic, and on top of that, you get the wide angle view. If you want to know how to use this camera as a webcam, you need to connect the camera to your computer using a micro USB cable, and the camera is gonna ask you if you want to transfer data or use the camera as a webcam. So just select the option that says camera. After that, open the camera app on Windows or OBS, and the program should detect it automatically. No need to install drivers. The only bad thing I found was that the resolution drops to 640 by 480. But still, the quality, it's not terrible. I'm gonna do a quick test meanwhile we try this game.
That looks so nice, bro. Cool. Okay.
Where's it going?
Oh, we created our own thing, man.
Your conquest serves you alone, not
Khan
Outworld's
versus Khan.
people. Fight.
Khan versus Shadow Khan.
Outworld will You are Khan no more.
My final thought, this camera, it's very good for the price. So if you're a truck driver, Uber driver, or whatever, you'll definitely like this camera. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions or suggestions for a future video, leave a comment and subscribe for more.